Okay guys, this is the Sport package, and I'm going to show you. This looks a lot more less cheap. It looks more premium, more elegant, because you get the fog lights on the bottom. You get these LED lights. They're daytime running lights, but they turn into blinkers. You have full LED lights on the front. You have more chrome. Now this is sort of, I'm gonna put it down, sort of white pearl color that, depending on the light, looks blue now. Now you get the sunroof on the top, and you get the LED lights on the back. They look really cool. They look really nice. Now you get here a electronic booth. Same space. As shown, this can be on the top, the spare wheel. Press the button to close. Now this is the 4Motion. And I gotta show you guys this awesome wheels. I believe these are probably maybe 19-inch. So it says 17 on the tire, not sure about that. So just show you the back and then gonna enjoy on the front. Now same door pattern, but look at these seats. They're cloth, red stitches, a leather, and you get this also stitches. It looks pretty cool with this red stitches. I like these seats. And as you can see, this is a sport version, so it looks black, looks more sporty, it looks more premium inside. You lose the, you forget parts where Volkswagen was saving. This is pretty nice leather. I believe this is a, not a real leather, but it looks really nice. Dark tinted windows on the back, as well as you can see. Not on the front, obviously. Now, when you sit inside, now I got the key, so I'm gonna turn off the hazards. This is the AC. Everything is white LED background, even on the bottom. This is the automatic DSG. This is the 2.0 TDI, which comes with 4Motion or 4-wheel drive. So you have park, reverse, neutral, drive, sport. Over here, I'm just really sorry for the light. You have a also light. You can lock the rear seats. Now I'm gonna try. The light is bright really here. You can see this is a soft finish. You have a, you can not even feel this. It's inside this red light. I'm really sorry. There you have this red ambient lights. You can change. They're not available on the back. Since this is a has a sunroof, there is light here. Now this is the LED light. So inexpensive version. There is on the top also LED light on the sport. So I should suggest you should get the sport version. On the top, as you can see, LED, and you get the passenger airbag off notification there. This is also a black bezel. You get a soft plastic, some sort of gray material here. Looks more premium, less cheap. You get the SD card here, second card, because one is for the navigation, and this is still plastic. They should have put something here, more better feeling to the hand. Of course, over here in this car, I don't know if you can see, you have a wireless charger for your phone. Now the armrest is pretty much the same. Over here you have a, you can choose snow conditions, road, standard, off-road, and something else. You can press the mode, standard AC. I'm really sorry for the light, guys. Okay, so this is how it looks. The light is so bright it is killing my shot. You get the all digital speedometer, which is pretty cool, and you have here your controls on the steering wheel for your cruise control. Now this has adaptive radar and lane assist standard. I believe in the menu, I'm gonna keep it here. I believe in the menu you can change here, so you can choose a speedometer, or you can choose other options here. See, so you can see range, AdBlue, speed, temperature. So if I want to see the speed, I can use this. It looks pretty nice. You can lose this options. So you have the radar assist, navigation, audio, phone, car, says refuel it, and some other informations. They're pretty handy, so you would need to dig in this menu to figure all these options. But pretty cool. You can have like more information in the car. I'm sorry for the light, it's just impossible to film here with my phone. Going to this menu, so I'm gonna keep it up here for less light. You have the, so it senses when you approach. You have menu here. I don't think you have gestures, but it's pretty responsive. You have a navigation, that it's as the car is outside, so someone wouldn't steal it. Of course, you have Android, Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink. You have information about the car. This is interesting. So you can choose radio. About driving, since refueling, since start. This is pretty high because the car was probably hasn't passed. It has 14 kilometers on the clock on the bottom, as you can see. So sorry, status of the vehicle, and all sorts of other information that are useful for you. You have here off-road. You can see some interesting information, active display. Okay, this is affecting. Now I'm gonna try staying here away from the light so you can see here, guys. I'm gonna show you both screens. You can see. Can I move this? No. So you can have more options here. You have classic and auto. It's pretty cool. So there's all sorts of information here. You can choose. This is all in Croatian, obviously, because I'm in Croatia. But so you have here normal. Let me just turn the wheel. Pay attention up here. So you can choose off-road, individual. You can individual adjust, so you can adjust the transmission, drive, all-wheel drive, ACC, AC, and if you go to the off-road, you have normal. This really feels soft to the touch. And you have snow here. Obviously, I'm gonna leave it on normal. Now you have voice commands. They're probably not available. Phone, and you can search for your phone. You have your media, and you have your radio. By holding you can memorize. Car. That's pretty much it. It's pretty cool, pretty functional. This looks more premium, better looking. You lose that cheap feeling, although this is still hard. It's not soft. This is the only place I wouldn't save money if you would ask me. Of course, the sun is so bright. I'm sorry, guys. There is a Beats audio on the side, the logo. Of course, over here you have option to pop your trunk. You have sport pedals, as you can see on the bottom. Also on the steering. And you have all this digital display, which just looks so awesome. I'm really sorry for my hand and for this sun. I'm gonna turn this off. Now, this is the key. It comes with this chrome finish. It's pretty cool. And this is the standard Volkswagen. Now let me just see if I can. Go all the way up. It's pretty cool. Now let me show you the back one. Does it go all the way? Yep, goes all the way down. It's pretty cool. And this is when you leave the car, you get some basic information, your trip, your fuel range, and similar. Pretty cool. When you exit the car, I believe it turns off. Yep, close it. Should go off. The sun is so bright, but as you can see here, this is the Tdi Engine 2.0 with 150 horsepower. And while I have the key, I'm going to unlock it for you guys. The mirrors fold. When you unlock it, the mirrors unfold. So it's pretty cool. I should thank this guy, Marco. If you get it here, you should ask him. He's a great salesman. He's going to sell you the car. Another thing, you get the sport red calipers, which really looks cool and really looks sporty, and you get the chrome on the bottom as well. And this is the interior, guys. Honestly, guys, I can't wait to test drive this new T-Roc. It looks so awesome. Despite those savings the Volkswagen did, it's a really awesome car. It looks awesome and not that expensive base price.